Yo, check it out, man. This is the top of the world right here. That's what's up. When you envision it, the vision will get clearer and clearer. As long as you accept that this is the way you're going, there's only one route, one path to the end of that tunnel so you can see that vision clearly. You know what I mean? So, this is what it is. Walking this path of life, and you're just saying to yourself, where am I going? What's it all about? I'm at a crossroad. I'm at this intersection of my life, of my journey in life. And you're saying, am I going left? Or am I going right? What's your choice? That's all I can tell you. It's your choice. The map is right there. You know what I mean? And you choose. It's as easy as that. You pick one and you go about it. And what happened when you go on the right, on the left, it's totally, all the results are totally equivalent as a decision that you took, as a decision that you had in mind, have taken even before meeting that crossroad, that intersection. And the further you go, the deeper you're walking, and you're making it happen. Even your footprints in places that nobody has done it like you will do. Right? So that's what's up. So that's what's up. And once you get to the end of that path, there will be another one. And another one clearer. And more equivalent to the decision and your thoughts that you have fed. This is no metaphysical thing. It's just simple math. Simple math. You want the formula? Well, Soundproof will give you that formula right now. You don't even need a pen and paper. You don't even need to save that. You don't even need to tag yourself to that one. There's no hashtag to this. The formula is easy. Action is equal reactions. Plain and simple. That road might be shicey, it might be grimy, it might be hard, you might have some people stopping you in the way. But you know what? You keep on going. And keep putting those footprints in that path that nobody else has walked as you are doing it. I would say to people, my journey to time and places has helped me purify my soul and valorize any negative situation into a positive experience. Now you may take that and say, yeah, it might make sense. You might take it and say, you know what, I know better from the get-go. Or you might say, you know what, those are words that Soundproof is given to me to put it in bank. It's like money in the bank with interest adding up. You might not do something with it right now, but you will one day go to the bank and take those words and do something with it so you can see another path. Envision, InnerPower. That's what it is. And that's what it always will be. You have it inside of you. You have it inside of you. Trust me. let's take this road wherever it takes us. As long as your thoughts are pure and your intention is sincere and profound and unconditionally not selfish also, and you understand that it's a chain reaction between you and your inner you and what surrounds you. This is your man Soundproof. Check me out. Google that name, soundproofworld.com. My world, your world, our world. Let's dumb it down once and for all. This is 2000 and something. But we're going to dumb it down. And we're going to keep it real. Keep seeing our vision clearer and clearer. So there will be no mistake. There will only have action that was provoked upon your decision. That's what it is. That's what it was. That's what it will always be. Chain reaction from one thought to one action to one reaction. Many of my followers have probably played dominoes and slamming those dominoes, right? I did that too. And that's what it is right now. When you make those dominoes stand up, it's like a domino effect. And once you take a pat, you keep on going, you will meet another pat. And then your inner power, your inner thoughts, all of you will ask yourself, where are we going? Left or right? To the next level. You will see pats and pats and pats in your life. Don't get discouraged. Don't. Just keep on going. Whatever it is you have in mind, whatever you wish for you, your kids, next generation, your fellow mate next to you, somewhere out there, there's a path for you guys. Don't get it twisted. Man, Soundproof. Check me out on soundproofworld.com. Twitter me, Facebook me, YouTube me, Google it. Share this if you want. Put it in bank if you want. Take it for granted if you want. But that is your thought.